Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat sauerkraut for probiotics. First, understand that sauerkraut is a fermented food, meaning it contains live, beneficial bacteria essential for a healthy gut. To get the most out of it, always choose raw, unpasteurized varieties found in the refrigerated section of your grocery store. This ensures the probiotics are still active and ready to work their magic in your digestive system. When you first start, it's best to introduce sauerkraut gradually. Begin with a small amount, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons, served alongside your main meals. This helps your digestive system adapt to the new influx of beneficial bacteria. Over time, as your body adjusts, you can slowly increase the quantity to a 1/4 cup or more, depending on your preference and tolerance. Sauerkraut is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. It makes a fantastic addition to sandwiches, hot dogs, or even as a topping for salads, adding a delightful tangy crunch. You can also serve it as a refreshing side dish with almost any meal. Remember, to preserve the live probiotics, always add sauerkraut after cooking or serve it cold. For the best results, make eating sauerkraut a regular habit. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy and diverse gut microbiome. Consider pairing it with other fermented foods like kimchi or yogurt to further enhance your probiotic intake. And hey, while you're thinking about making things better, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.